Welcome, in front of me I have OPPO Reno4Z, and today I will show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. So at the first you have to open your Google Play Store. Next, tap on the search bar and type green Apple keyboard. Click install. Let's open. Click to enable in the settings, tap on the switcher, click to activate, and just go back and switch input methods to English United States green Apple keyboard. Right now click finish and take a look. As you can see, our keyboard has changed. It looks almost identical like on iPhone. And yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.